Okay, so in today's video, we have the Slay Glam Box for June 2022. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money, then keep on watching. Alright, so this is a monthly subscription. It is $24 a month. I used to unbox this a while ago. Last month was the first time I unboxed it in a long time, and it was really, really good. I did have a giveaway in that video. I will leave the winners right here. And I know some of you guys have been asking me for the Jeffree Star Banana Palette. It was Melissa Martinez who won that. But anyway, let me tell you a little about this. This is $24 a month. You do not pay for shipping, and this is an all makeup subscription box. So if you're looking for a makeup box, not skincare, this might be one you might want to think about. I do have a code. It's just Ann in all caps, and it'll save you some money off. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show you the most important thing. I start cutting it open, but it's like a little pocketbook. That's so cute. Okay. Let's take everything out. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Per usual. Alright, I do not see a card in here. You had quite a few things in here. Let me take everything out. Okay. Holy crap. There's a lot of eyeshadow palettes and stuff. So the first thing it came like that, oh, I'm dropping stuff. This is from Kaylin Cosmetics. This is a blush powder. I wish it came with a card, you know? Oh, that's kind of neat looking. So what is this? So how does this work? This is a brush, but how does it work? I don't know if I'm dumb. I don't know how this works to get this brush out. What in the world? Is this like a magic trick? It's got to be something real easy.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh, okay. Okay. I figured it out. You push this in. Okay. All right, I figured it out. There we go. I don't know if it comes out anymore. I don't know. I have to play around with this. I don't want to be too long on this video. And then you open her up here. And I don't want to take this off. But it has a little thingy-majiggy there. And then you have the powder. Well, it's a blush. Ooh. Okay. And then you do that. All right, that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next one is from Kaylin Cosmetics. This is the Tinted Gloss Stick in shade number 9. Let's open it up. Okay, regular applicator. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Oh, I like that. That's a pigmented gloss. All right, I'm excited for that. And we have 2 eyeliners. Italiana Deluxe Ultra Fine Eyeliner. Okay, so this is Royal Blue. Well, that looks like it's gonna be pretty. This is so creamy, and would you look at that color? That's gorgeous. And then my favorite color. It's like a turquoise. What color you be? What does it say? Yep, turquoise. All right. So pretty. They are so creamy. They're gonna look beautiful on the what do you call that? What is this called again? I cannot think. You guys know what I mean, right there. Lower eyelid. All right, so we have that. And then the last 2 things are eyeshadow palettes. So this is from Oakland Cosmetics in Macaron. I'm not sure. So we got 2 of these in the Ice Cream Beauty Box, but this is a different color story, so that's pretty cool. So you have a mirror, and those are the shades. Let's do some swatches. Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so this one here is a matte. Ooh, look at that. That is really pretty. Okay. I gotta stop saying okay. I noticed during editing, I'm like, okay. Alright, and last but not least is from Miura. This is Let's Get Carried Away. I love that it's in like a plastic little bag. That's pretty cool. You can save that too. Oh look, it looks like you're going to like a boarding pass. How cool is that? So it's like themed, you know, like a vacation. That's really nice. Ooh, this is nice. So you have a mirror, and guys, look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Right here. That's really, really pretty. This is a good box again. Okay, so let's recap everything that you would get in the June box. So you get this Miura palette. You get this macaron palette. You get this lip gloss. It's very pigmented. You get the powdered blush, what comes with the brush. Blush. Say that 3 times real fast. And you get these 2 eyeliners, which goes with both of the palettes. I think this is really, really good. Like for $24, and it's all makeup. Like this is definitely a win-win. Now Slay Glam did have a relaunch last month, and I'm telling you, she's doing really, really well. I'm really happy for her. Let me know what you guys think. Did you sign up? Did you not? Don't forget, if you're thinking about it, use my code JUSTANN in all caps. Can save you some money off, but I really, really recommend this box. Like, there's not one thing in here I will not use. I think it's really, really good. I really, really do. Alright guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Like this video if you're interested in the Slay Glam box, and you want to see me continue to unbox it. I get excited about this box like I do the Ice Cream Beauty box and a few others. I really think it's only the 2nd month and it's already doing amazing. You know what I mean? Don't forget to leave a comment. That helps me out as well. That helps out with engagement. And I do have that 2nd channel, Just Ann's World. We hit 10K. I am so excited. That's more of a vlog style channel, so if you're interested in that and want to get to know me more on a personal level, I'll leave the link in the description box. Check it out. See if that is something that you're interested in. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Alrighty, Slay Glam's doing her thing too. Yes, yes. These are beautiful. I cannot wait to use you. No, I cannot.